Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to do a doctor sign-off on the EMR form. The EMR form is used to provide decision support to healthcare professionals with respect to rendering of healthcare services to an individual patient and accommodate data exchange in the emergency room. The nurse triage and doctor triage history sections on the EMR form must be completed before the doctor sign-off section can be finalized. A doctor will sign off on a clinical form once he is done with the examination and he is happy with all the information that he gathered. This is to simplify the transaction should a patient need to be transferred to another department, admitted to hospital or discharged. From the diary, click on the correct patient's booking. The diary sidebar will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar, click on the clinical button. The clinical case screen will open. On the right, select the EMR form from your easy events if you have set it up as such, or select the form from the Forms Library drop-down menu. Once selected, the EMR form will open. Click on the Doctor Sign-Off panel to expand it. The Doctor Sign-Off screen will open. Before signing the form, you have to finalize the nurse triage and the doctor triage sections. If these sections are not completed, the doctor won't be able to add his signature on the form. Click on the plus button to add your signature. The signature capture screen will open. You can manually sign on the line to add your signature or use the available options. The cancel button will open the signature capture screen. The edit and reset buttons will display here if a mistake was made on the first signature. The edit button will allow you to redo the signature. The reset button will reset the signature and clear it. Click in the Enter Your PIN text box to enter your PIN for your signature to pull it into the form. If a signature was preloaded into the system, it will be set up and saved with a PIN code that is unique for the doctor in the settings. The doctor can enter the PIN instead of signing the form manually every time. Please refer to the settings manual on how to set up your signature in this video's description. When the PIN is entered, click on the Load User Signature button. An attention pop-up will appear, informing the user that the form will be locked for all users and won't be editable again. The support staff will also not be able to help and unlock the form again. Click on the OK to continue or cancel to not proceed with the signature. As soon as the signature is completed, either via the PIN code, load doctor signature or manually sign, all the sections will automatically change to completed or finalized. The EMR form will be locked automatically when the doctor's signature was added. This will prevent anyone from making changes to the form. Click on the Close button to exit the clinical screen without saving. Click on the Save and Close button to save the doctor sign-off on the EMR form.